Hello, this is Slingshot Warrior, and as promised, my Crossman SBR full auto BB gun. Isn't it lovely? Let me show you its features, as George Sprague would say. Well, it's got these foldable sights. Pretty cool. It's got the weight of a real firearm. It's CO2 powered. You load it through this, and with this special thing, it's supposed to be a loader. I don't know how it works exactly, but I'll find out. Yeah, it's your loader. I'll see if this works. You also, to load your CO2 cartridges, it requires, just open this up a little bit. Open this up. Now it says to put this CO2 cartridge first here, and I was watching a lot of tutorials on this, and there's a reason for that. If you put this one before this one, it will basically leak CO2. So you want to put the first one that says first right here, and never forget it. It's got a little Allen key for that. It looks like the real thing. It has the weight of the real thing. It is adjustable between, just like the real one. It's got half auto, no auto, and full auto adjustment thing here. Full auto, dial. It's got this and this. It has the weight of a real firearm. It's really awesome. And I do like these adjustable sights here, where you can adjust them both. Well, basically these flip sights, where it's basically like this. Up. Up. You got your safety. You got your trigger. You got your safety here. Your safety. And it's all good. And more on this later. Bye.